You gotta be kidding me. Why did I have this on? Stupid of me. Oh my god. Oh, and by the way, don't ask what happened here. It's a long story. Dog, outside all day, you can probably guess what happened, but... Damn it, I'm gonna sit down right here. Oh, this is everywhere. Can you focus, please? And if you remember, a couple of weeks ago, we were here with Winter Storm Avery, and well, it's a long story, but I had to, believe it or not, I had to take a break from YouTube for a couple of weeks ago due to more family shit. But I'm not gonna make any promises, but I'm hoping I'm back now. But we'll see. But at the end of the video, I don't know how long this is going to be. I don't know if it's gonna be 2 minutes. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. Anyways, I don't know how long this is going to be. I don't know if it's going to be a minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, an hour. It's fine. Most likely won't be that long, but we'll see. But if it's really short or not, I apologize. But, I mean, this is ridiculous. No, welcome to winter, I guess. Oh, that looks good. There we go. Set the temperature really quick. You know what, this is not the right time to do it. Damn. That's back in the house. Holy shit. Let's see here. When I checked before and it was exactly 32 degrees, but most likely that's changed, but we'll see. Oh, that's some good autofocus in there, huh? Wonderful. You gonna load or not? Just standing here. Now it doesn't load. 34 degrees, and it's supposed to get down to below freezing tonight. Pretty ridiculous. And once again, let me set percent recording. Yeah, it happens sometimes. But anyways, once again, I don't know if this is going to be 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I don't know, but if it's really short, then I apologize. But for now, enjoy the aftermath of Winter Storm Avery.
You holding your breath on this one, Heidi?
Well, I kind of am. I'm very, I'm concerned about the recount and the finding of the extra votes and the extension of the legal limits, and I think this is...
Good morning. All your symptoms. So I was just reading online, there are people who have been on westbound 40 near Brinkley for close to 8 hours reportedly. Some people fell asleep in their cars, and so the delays are from people falling asleep now in their cars. They're trying to get them over off the side of the road. They're getting, they're waking them up to drive again. But basically, here's the deal.
How did they not fall? I mean,
mostly clear roads out there, ice on bridges and overpasses, icy places like we just mentioned. Shelby County school kids are back in session today. In fact, the bulk of the Shelby County school systems all in the county are back.
How would you not
so you're going to see buses running. We do have a delay for the...
This is the bridge right here I was talking about. Everybody's slowing down, you think, probably? Okay, everybody, no, wasn't that cool? Everybody got to see a cop car with their lights on. Wow! Just the season of TV. Okay, go. You gotta go down. He has nowhere to go, so just go, stupid car. There you go. Smart decision. Go around the block. Oh, that's nice of that, whatever. But I'm gonna try and get down there. Maybe the sidewalk a little bit. And she just didn't clean off the back window? That'd be dumb.